How to check last seen on WhatsApp even if it's hidden. Now for this video, we're going to use a third-party application. This is actually a paid application. So you just have to go directly to your Play Store and download Check Chat, which is this icon right here. So go to your Play Store and then search for Check Chat. Now, you just have to download the same logo as WhatsApp's logo, and then make sure that once you downloaded this, make sure that you're currently running with the latest version of this application, so there will be no problems that we will encounter um, moving along. So once you have downloaded that, just simply access it. Now, since I have already set up the Check Chat application, the very first thing that you'll have to see is just click on Activate directly. Now, from there, you'll have an option to subscribe to any of those features that they have. But right now, since we're currently using the free trial, we will not be having full access with this app. So just simply click on Activate and just go to free trial. Now, this is gonna be their subscription if you would like to use. And then on the very first thing that you have clicked or pressed on activate, that's the time that you can choose any of the specific contacts you would like, or you'd want to track that specific number if what is the specific time of the last seen of that specific number. So once you have fully subscribed to this application right here, you should be able to track the last seen on that number. So that's it. That's how you can go ahead and check or access to see the last seen on WhatsApp even if it's hidden.